Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. We're pleased to present for sale this 1988 Mercedes-Benz 420 SL, the R107 series. Now the 420 is the rarest model of the R107, with just 2,150 built approximately. We had the 300 and they had the 500 V8 above it. This is the rarest of those three versions. This particular car has covered just 53,000 miles from new and has had only two owners. It comes to us from the second owner. Service history is very comprehensive. Its main dealer up to 1991, and from there on it's been serviced by the same Mercedes specialist, Steve Redfearn. And the car has just come to us from his workshop, having had a full service and MOT. So mechanically this car is absolutely spot on. You can see a photograph on the website of its engine bay. Frankly, it's probably as good as it was the day it came out of the factory. Obviously finished in white with a very nice contrasting dark blue leather upholstery. A few features here to note are the wood and leather steering wheel, which I believe was added by the most recent owner, with a matching wood and leather gear stick as well, all in walnut wood. And you have a Pioneer CD radio fitted here, but there is also the original Blaupunkt supplied with the car. Just a superb place to be in here. As you can see, seat bolsters, leather, just a slight patina, but very, very nice. Very supple, sort of buttery feel to the leather. And the hardtop, which I've left on for this particular video, just to show what incredible condition it's in with the headlining, etc. The soft top is mohair and immaculate to match the condition of the rest of the car, and that's in dark blue to match the leather. Very, very smart looking car, this one. I do like the white. And you can see the wheels are also all refurbished and presented with chrome nut covers, which is a nice little touch. Certainly immaculate, all four of them. If you'd like further details or to arrange a viewing, do please get in touch through the website. Website is www.kingdomspecialistcars.com. I very much look forward to speaking to you. Thank you.